beautiful Tuesday, everyone. It's September 24, 2024, and it's a beautiful Tuesday morning. So let's give thanks for all the blessings na nasa buhay natin, kasama mga pagsubok, mga challenges and trials ng buhay natin, which makes our life more beautiful, wonderful, and exciting. At syempre, huwag natin kalimutan yung mga taong tumulong sa atin during our trials at yung mga marites doon sa paligid natin. Shoutout to kay Glenda, Glenn Snow, Kipuchi, Margie Crane, Cecil Boris, Mama Lu, Luis and Susan, Nancy Griffins, Henry and Evelyn Haro ng Suarez, Iligan City, Janet Banaang and Aldi Galvadores ng Malabalay City, Bukidnon, sina CG Almendras, Friendly McFlurry, Gilbert Ramirez, Gigi Rehenes, Francisco Rodriguez and Fernando Dandoy ng Pagadian City, kina Jiman David, Inday Araso, Ruby Cortez, Rachel Pastolero at kay Eds My Love. Sending prayers of love and healing to Beshi, Elizabeth Guevara, Angel Inario, Mabel Andres, and Eliazar Torres. Ripples of the day natin po is, without faith, trust, love, and pure care for other people, holistic healing is not possible. So keep that in mind po. Thank you for following, liking, sharing, and subscribing to these videos. Good morning and have a blessed Tuesday, everyone.